A string can be created by enclosing characters inside a single quote or double quote, and the output will be the same. And it's important to say that they are immutable. You can use single or double quotes, but never together. To assign a string to a variable is really easy. You only need to define the variable, in this case name, and later to use the equal sign and the string. To check if a phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. The answer is always true or false, and in this way we'll know if a character is present or not in a text. The opposite will be to check if a phrase or character is not present in a string. In this case, we can use the keyword not in. We'll have the same result as before. If you need to check very long text, the check function results very useful. See you in the next video to learn more about strings.